At Grundfos, we are constantly working to develop our products to match the challenges that our customers face in their daily work. That is why we have completely revamped the interior of our 6-inch submersible SP pump. Thanks to a careful design and test process, the new 6-inch SP is pushing the limits of what is possible in terms of efficiency and reliability. To design the new 6-inch SP, a team of experts worked together across functions, using the most advanced simulation technologies on the market to create a superior pump with state-of-the-art hydraulics, laser wells, and a viable process design that makes the pump resilient and long-lasting. After the thorough design process, we tested every component to make sure that they live up to our high expectations. We tested the impeller's ability to handle the required load, the strength of the pump chambers, the welds, the corrosion properties of the impeller, and the hydraulic stage performance. We even tested it for use in harsh booster environments. And finally, we tested the complete pump according to the ISO standard to make sure that it performs as expected with superior efficiency and reliability. The new 6-inch SP is the culmination of our efforts. And while the outside of the pump looks very similar to its predecessor, I can assure you, you will feel the difference.